this is like, check out this delicious waffle place.
Guys, this is the Amy Winehouse statue.
Yeah, very nice, yeah? Okay.
Let's check out some things.
Yeah? No, check this. This is how you do it.
As you can... Ooh, double flip!
Some sort of dragon. Is that a dragon?
Wow, what a professional. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Have you subscribed yet, guys? Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. So, we're in Camden today, as you can see. We're going to here to taste some street food, see how it goes.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel again. We're just here in Camden, Stables Market and street food. We're gonna just check it out, see how it goes, taste food, eat some, and yeah, let's have some fun. Okay, so this is part of the street food market, which is on Sundays. Yeah, thousands and thousands of people are out eating, drinking. Yeah, so we'll just check it out, see what's nice, and have some nice food. And this is the Camden market. What is this, Baba? Cyber dog, yeah? Wow. These are cyborgs, yeah?
Yeah.
What do the cyborgs do?
Just there for sure.
Fantastic. As you can see, this place is busy. We couldn't record inside the market because it was just too busy, it was just too crowded. Yeah. And we bought some food for Muddy, he's just smashing it. He was hungry, so he ate it. With some noodles, with some chicken. How is it, Muddy? First class, yeah?
Very nice.
Very nice, yeah? Okay.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Delicious.
Delicious food, yeah? Okay. We've just come across this statue. Look at this big guy. Wow. Look at the size of him.
Well, it's kind of cheating because these are that big. And I see underneath,
Yeah?
there's some woodcuts.
This guy is a Zulu warrior. Yeah. Zulu warrior. This is the famous Camden lock. It was made in 1845. Yeah, this whole market was made in 1845. So Madi, what do you think of this place?
Nice, but at the same time, it's very busy here. So try and come early and yeah,
What about the food?
nice.
Okay, we're gonna have some bubble waffles now.
First, let's have the mini pancakes.
Mini pancakes. Then,
Then the popcorn.
okay, let's go check it out.
I'm having an amazing day, guys. Let's check out some shops. This place is an Arctic truck.
Yeah.
Look, there's even the spinning wheel.
Let's check out the spinning wheel. Madi, what's the spinning wheel about?
All about chocolate. Like, all this flowers. And even
On the other side, you have cold steel. You got the bus, 168. There, catches. Oh, I love this. It's a woman smoking. And look at this. Look at this guy. This guy out. Some sort of dragon. Is that a dragon? Wow.
Well, it's actually a myth.
The dragons are myth.
Yeah. Because if they're real, by then the world will be destroyed.
Oh, what's this about? Dark angels.
Let's check in this shop. Oh. Leafy, rocky. These are very fluffy if you come to Camden Town. There's orange, there's a brown, white.
Wow, I like these. Okay, let's check out the rest of the shop.
There's been out glass.
Wow.
Even these.
Sorry? Oh, these clocks, yeah?
Yeah, but they're made out of metal.
Wow, they got such a good range of variety here. Yeah.
And they even have bells.
Bell, yeah. What does the bell do?
Just there to be there.
Check
oh,
out the bell.
And there's even a spinning thing. As you can see. Try and make your friends see if they know about Camden Town.
Wow.
There's mini buses
Mini buses, yeah.
that you go like this.
Wow.
They even have this, which is my personal favorite. My dad won't let me buy it. So it's like the statue. And if you have a pen with your 3 spaces of pencil cases has gone, and you have one more pen, but you don't know what to put it, just take this and put your pen there.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
London telephone number. And this is also my favorite one. It's made out of glass of the wheels, as you can see. And the material, oh, it's so good. They even make puppies.
Puppy. Oh, I like the puppy. I like this. I like this guy here. That's funny, this guy.
And there's these toys. And there's, if you get stressed out, just use this.
Oh, this is for stressing out.
Yeah.
So you just spin it, or you break it. Which one do you do?
Just spin it. If you get stressed out.
Okay.
And that's just a hand called book bag.
I like this.
And they even make funny toilets. They even make mugs. Like
Yo, check out this delicious waffle place. Yes. We're gonna have some mini waffles. Delicious waffles. Where is Madi gone? Hey, what are you doing there?
these are the waffle makers. So you put like some syrup right over here. I think you put it in here. You do that, and then just wait. And when you open it, voila, waffle.
Okay. So does that mean you want waffle? Nice.
And this is the mini pancakes.
Mini pancake maker. Okay.
So you need some sticks.
Yeah.
Yeah, you pull the same thing for the waffles. Yeah, and then when it's done, you flip one over at a time. So you don't go like the first row and then you go second row. You have to go to the first row, finish, and then finish the second row, then third row. As soon as you go up.
Okay. Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna make some amazing waffles, bubble waffles. Yeah. Check it out. That's how it's made.
Wow, what a professional.
This one is for Madi. You put it like this. Yeah.
And then you take the top lid,
You take the top lid,
and then you just
close it, and then you turn it around.
Wow. Why are you connecting them?
Because that's what I do, connect them.
You don't connect them.
Well, I don't know. Let's check it out. That's enough. Alright, guys. Wow.
Wow, what a perfect.
We have a pancake, okay? I guess we have to grab it with our hands. Oh, look at that. Okay, what do you guys want?
This is probably one of the most best waffles.
Okay, that's it. Let's now check out down
So
there.
let's check out some things.
Yeah? No, check this. This is how you do it.
As you can, ooh, double flip.
Double flip it, yeah. This single.
Oh,
I'm very good at this. Huh? What do you think?
he also has a best friend, my dad. He also works here, but today he's not here, so
We're doing ourselves, yeah?
yeah. There's even some jewelries.
Yeah, we can check the jewelry. Okay, so how am I doing, Madi?
Very good. Just be careful so you don't burn the sticks. Oof, nice.
Nice, yeah?
Oh, you tried to do a double flip there.
I tried to do a double flip.
Wow. These looks very nice.
Okay, this will be ready in a few minutes. Meanwhile, this is getting ready.
So
Get him on the video. Get him.
we're doing this because we don't want to spread germs.
Okay. Green stuff. Okay. Go around here.
The teachers call us in front of
Okay,
the class.
next one.
Lead one topic we used to get grade.
My sister loves this.
This one, your sister loves this, yeah? Wow, this looks good. Amazing. That's it?
Now, let's add some of these.
I made my own
Pancakes. Mini pancakes.
pancakes. Put some white sauce. Yeah. Look at this white sauce. I love the white sauce.
It's one of the most tastiest chocolates.
Yeah. Okay. So now, on top of this, we're gonna have some chocolate sauce. That's what I get. Look at that. Ooh.
That's looking good.
Wow. Look, this looks amazing. Let me taste it and tell you how it looks. Absolutely delicious. I know how to make Danish waffles. Fantastic. And now, Majid, you tell me how you want your taste.
Okay. It tastes like hazelnut.
Yeah?
Like, you know the hazelnut?
Yeah?
And then with the white.
Wow.
So hazel white
Fantastic.
instead of hazelnut.
Fantastic. Okay. That's it. Thank you.
This ice cream, so here we go.
How is it?
Delicious. Very nice. And very crunchy.
I love Camden. I love to come here, always meet my friends. Fantastic place.
But I'm gonna subscribe his channel. Subscribe his channel. Like, thumbs up button, yeah. Just smash it, yeah.
And hit the notification bells.
Yeah, notification bells, yeah.
So you don't miss any video. Guys, this is the Amy Winehouse stuff.
Yeah. This.
She used to be a best singer.
Yeah. She's so tiny, isn't she, Majid?
Yeah, because she's in a statue.
No, I think this is a real life statue. It's a real life size.
She's that big. Guys, I hope you had a good time. That was all for today. After the stream. Yeah. Subscribe if you're new. And turn on the notification bells. And hit the like button. And if you want to be extra, comment down below and tell us what you want us to review. Peace out, guys.
Okay, guys. That's it for us today. Camden street food. We had a great time. See you soon. Subscribe. Turn on the bell. Comment down below. See you soon. Peace out, guys.